Well, in some much lighter news, 4 Leon County residents are now new homeowners, thanks in part to Leon County. Here's a ribbon cutting ceremony for those 4 people. You may actually remember back in 2008 when Tropical Storm Faye flooded more than 700 homes around Leon County. Well, some of the residents at the Greenwood Park Mobile Home Estate on St. Augustine Road actually had their homes ruined by those floodwaters. Leon County received disaster recovery grants from the state, which helped them put these people into new homes.
It's really just a relief to just have this out from underneath. It's just a huge stress off of me. I'm not to worry about going in and fixing this myself. Since I am a handyman, I would have had to do the repairs myself. And now that I had someone step in and help me out, it's money that I can save. It's just fantastic.
That is awesome. All 4 people who got homes are set to move into their new digs here over the next couple of days.